Okay, so here's the newest incarnation of my GPS tracker. That right there is the actual high altitude GPS unit. It's got a built-in patch antenna, a proto board. It's got a regulator and stuff on there I'm not using. It's got a micro SD card reader writer on it, but I'm not actually using that right now. And we got a Arduino Mega 2560 with a 2.8 inch TFT color touchscreen, which also, if you look over here on the side, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a micro SD card slot. Let me see if I can point it out right there. If you can see, it's a micro SD card slot, and it's also a touchscreen. Right now, if you touch the screen, it just gives you the X and Y position of where you touched it. I'm going to be using those X and Y positions for designing my menus here in a little bit. But the information we're seeing from the GPS, the top line there is the date. So it's February 20, 2018. Next underneath that's time in UTC, which is 22:22, which is really 5:22 p.m. in the afternoon. My current location, sitting here in the driveway, 41 degrees 31 .659 degrees north, and 81 degrees 31.147 minutes west. Status is A. That can either be V or A, void or automatic. And I don't know how much that says. It just tells you whether it's a good fix or not, whether you can rely on the fix or not. Well, not rely on the fix, whether you have a fix. Okay, next underneath that is speed. You know, sometimes it says we're doing 0.1 knots. We're really not. But, you know, the GPS position moves around a little bit. You know, it's only accurate to, 30 centimeters or whatever it is. And I'm not doing any filtering on the data. This is the raw data. You know, normally if the position hasn't changed by a certain month, we wouldn't indicate a change. Underneath that, TRK, that's our track. We're not moving, but the last time we were moving, we were heading 210 degrees, 209.9 degrees from true. FXQ is fixed quality. What that basically means, is it a GPS fix? Is it a DGPS fix? And a 1 means it's a GPS fix. Underneath that, I have NSAT, which is the number of satellites. It just changed from 8 to 7. Oh, I'm back to 8. That's the number of satellites currently being used for the fix. And then underneath that is fixed type. And right now a 3 indicates it's a 3D fix, which we'll get anytime we have at least 4 satellites. Could be 0, could be 1, could be 2, could be 3, but 3 is a good one. So that's it. That's the GPS tracker with the touchscreen here. Like I said, right now I'm just grabbing the XY position of where on the screen you're hitting it. Let me hit that corner there. Okay, so you see near the upper left-hand corner, it was like, 19 by 12. Down in this corner, you're getting toward your upper limits, 225 and 295, and it's a 240 by 320 pixel screen. So there you go. All right, signing out.